Hi everyone. Very good evening, very good morning, very good afternoon. Okay, so yeah, let's wait for some time that everyone join and we can get started then. Okay, and meanwhile, I would like to know you all. Like, it would be great if you can introduce yourself in the chat. Maybe uh, what background you are coming from, how many years of experience you have, and anything else you want to chat in. Meanwhile, it would be great to know people. Yeah. Hi, Nidhi. Okay, that's great. Hi, Gunjan. Great to have you as well. Others, people. Hi, Pramod. Hi, Afzal. My day in and out with big data. Great, cool. Yes. So, what exactly you guys work on? Like, for example, uh, Nidhi, like what you work on? Like, how does a normal day looks like? What are the day-to-day responsibilities? Or uh, yeah. Hi, Pramod. Okay, great. Welcome to the session, Pramod. Yeah. Oh, that's great. Photography and traveling as a hobby. Perfect. Okay. Branch operations. Okay. Heavy data analysis. Okay. So what exactly tool you use for data analysis? Nilay? Okay. Hmm. And what tool exactly you use, Gunjan, for architecture purpose? If you can share. Okay, Nilay, mostly use Excel. Okay. And what exactly you use for deployment and what exactly you use for architecture, Gunjan? Thank you, Nilay, for your answer. Yes. Different tools. Okay. That is fine. Okay. Okay. That's great, Gunjan. Yeah. What about you, Pramod? Like, like in the product support, like what exactly you do and what tools you interact with? I got the idea from domains, but yeah, what exactly tools you use? Thank you, Gunchan, for your answers. Okay. Okay. Salesforce, Jira, Power BI. Hmm. Okay. So at what level you understand Power, like you get into the details of Power BI? Like the DAX analysis is something that you work along on the daily basis, or you work along with Power BI services, because you being from an organization, I think you have access to Power BI services and you work along that. So what exactly are the how deeper level you in the industry uses Power BI? Okay, majorly to extract reports. Okay. Uh okay. And when we say reports, okay, what exactly your reports contain? Like visualizations and analysis and some DAX query based outputs, calculations. That is what it would mainly contains, or anything else the reports have that I missed in the reports. Okay, to check the productivity, CSAT data, NPS, product usage. Okay, okay. So these are mostly on the okay escalations. Okay. Hmm. Cool. Okay, got it. And which version of the Power BI you use? Pro version, or I think you must be using Office version, right? Power BI. Yeah. Hmm. Cool, 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 cool. Got the idea. Okay, cool guys. Anyone else joined? Okay, cool then. Let's get started. In that case, I will not wait for much for them. Uh, we can get started and yeah, they will have access to that. Okay, let me share my screen and you can let me know if my screen is visible. Let me select the right window actually. When you work complete day, it becomes very chaotic. There are many windows. Okay, I hope I have shared the right screen, guys. Yeah. Can you see the Microsoft window here, everyone? Yes. Copilot. Cool. Cool. Perfect. Perfect. I think I have shared the right one. Perfect. Thank you, guys. I'll make when is this off now? Okay, perfect. Now, I think you got the idea from the last video that we have talked about, right? Chat GPT and everything, right? How to create a prompt and everything. Okay. But we'll create that part. Okay. That is how to create a prompt. I have guided you yesterday, but it was in a bit hurry. I'll explain you very calmly today. I'll give you the slides as well, everything. Okay. So we'll do it today again. Okay, how to create a prompt? What are the steps involved in that? Okay, and what are the how should a prompt be divided into? Okay, Did you tried any other AI tool, guys? Did you try ChatGPT in your day-to-day life now after learning yesterday? Anyone? Did you try using ChatGPT? Okay, I am Abhishek. I am working as a data scientist, and it's been around 6 years I am into the industry. Uh, and yeah, I'm a IIT graduate in computer science. I have more than a couple of research papers, international research with my name in data science domain. So yes, it's been around I think more than 200 plus live sessions that I have been already taken, like these one. And so yeah, that is all about my short journey for now. Okay. Uh hmm. Okay, some of you have used ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. So what exactly you use for, Gunjan? If we can ask, if we can get let it, if we can know about it, like what exactly you have used ChatGPT for after learning it yesterday. Anyone else also, if you have learned anything, if you have used ChatGPT at any point. Searching for the solutions. Okay. Okay. Others, Pramod, Nilay, Ahmad, yeah. Anyone else? Yes, so much is shared. I'll just confirm that. Okay. But yeah, please keep answering in the chat.
Yeah, they will be getting the recording within a day or two. After today's class, both days recording they will be getting.
Thank you, Ahmad. I was about to text you only.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, guys. But it doesn't mean that you don't attend the live session, guys. Okay. I want people in the live session. I want people. That's the only motivation I have. Right. I've been using it for quite some time, and majorly to write some detailed emails for LinkedIn optimization. Okay. Okay. What type of emails are there? Pramod, what type of emails are there? And what exactly is the sample query, if you can tell us? Do you use any other previous email as well for the reference of ChatGPT? This LLM have created some blog posts using ChatGPT and Midjourney for creating a lot of images for Insta page. Oh, that's great. That's good. That's good. We'll try to explore some of them, some like Midjourney and Perplexity and also Gamma and Copilot. We'll try to explore some of these LLM AI tools today as well. Hmm. What do you think about the copyright issue, guys? If you think like, for example, you are publishing your blogs, okay, using ChatGPT. If someone, if going in the future, ChatGPT would claim that the blog written by you is actually the blog of ChatGPT, that is written by ChatGPT. So how would that work? How would that equation work? Have you ever thought about it, Nile? Okay, customer feedback follow up to create some basic processes. Okay, cool, cool. Okay. What AI you use to make it humanized, and how much it reduces the, you can say, the AI content and the AI contribution into the text, because that is something that other big institute also track it. More customer centric task for the team. Okay. Cool. Okay. 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 Humanize app. Oh, 97%. Really? Nilay? It makes 97%. Does they claim it or any like have you checked it somewhere else? Yeah, yeah, I know that. Yeah. This one, na? The first one. This one? Nilay? Or someone else, something else. So you are saying humanizer. What's the name? Okay. Humanizer AI. It's these are the only coming. Right human.ai. Okay. Okay. Oh, humanizer AI. Why it was not coming with this name? Weird. Okay. See guys, if you are writing any content, if you are writing any content from chat gpt or someone else, okay, you can use these tools to remove the plagiarism as well. They would bypass the AI detection. Okay. Oh, that's good. Now there is an enhanced model as well. They have the pro and ultra subscribers as well. Okay. Hmm. These are good. And how I can see that they are actually chat gpt friendly. Did you check it anywhere? Did you submit it article something? You checked for plagiarism. Okay, they didn't give it. Uh, okay, that is okay. Can you guys give it a try now? Can you guys give it a try? Pramod, your suggestions are always welcome here. Okay, this is good, guys. See, we got a good thing. Like the basic is $9, and this is $9 per year. Okay, 80 humanizer requests a month and 600 over per request. Okay. Hmm. These are good. Yeah. Basically, you can write a research paper now. See, with AI, and yeah, you can publish that as well without getting detected. So yeah, I don't know. There. Yeah, yeah. But if I get a research paper published in IEEE or maybe some very reputed conference, I can pay a few dollars. Okay, anyone can pay a few dollars for that. It's never an issue. I think it's always in the positive side. Yeah. Cool. Anyone else who uses any other AI tool, guys? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Quillbot.com. Okay. Hmm. Sure, Nilay. I'll suggest you that. Okay. This is again the same for writing and that stuff. Yes, actually, the student use it for their homework and their thesis work. Actually, they utilize it. Okay, they use it. But the thing is that the institutes are also smart. If you are using AI for writing the content, the institute use AI to detect the content, detect the AI based content. So it's now, and at the end of the day, it's again AI versus AI. So that is the case. Now even googling from the article is not again not an option now, because they have now it's also restricted. So yeah, that is the case. So the more we get into this, there is always an alternate solution in front of that. So yeah, that's what they are doing. Oh, they have mentioned what they uh empower writers at. Oh, big names. Cool. Oh, where? Nile? Any example you can share? Okay, guys. Meanwhile, also let's get started with what I have to show you. Meanwhile, you can just yeah, just try to see this, check if you have an account on Microsoft or not. Okay, by opening this and try to get started with your free trial by clicking here. Okay, okay, Nilay. Cool. Yeah, got it. Try with this link, guys. Try opening this link. Let me know if you are able to do that. Others? No, 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 no. Don't give amount. Get started with the free trial. Just click on the free trial for now. I think for free trial, it won't charge any amount. I have done that myself. Guys, did you get it? Yeah. Okay, you have started playing. Okay, I don't have Office 365, so I believe I have to watch you and learn. I am using an iPad. Okay. Okay, for that I have to check it whether it's okay, cool. Yeah. So I think if you click on the get trial, get free trial, you will end up having. Okay. Or what you can do is you can just open Microsoft Edge. Okay, just open Microsoft Edge for now. Okay, and if you open Microsoft Edge, it will open like this. Okay, and here you can search Copilot. Okay, Copilot Microsoft. Just search that, and there you will get. Okay. Yes, yes, in Outlook. But I think that must be your Office account. Yeah, that's what Office account it is. That's why. But not everyone will use their work ID. Yes. So here you can get the Copilot as well, and this is for free. Okay, Microsoft Edge you must have been having. Nilan. Yeah, give it a try. You must be having Microsoft Edge. If in case you find problems, issues, you can just open Microsoft Edge, and in this way you can do it. See, on Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Bing, you can open, and there is an option of Copilot here, and I have given it a try. Okay, so what I have searched is create a Cricket Academy logo. Everything I read right wrote it wrong. Yes, because I want to check whether the AI is able to detect it or not. So yeah, they actually detected, and these are the Cricket Academy logos they have. For example, let's do new thing. Okay, this is how the Copilot looks like. First of all, okay. Now this is not Copilot. This is Designer. This is the Copilot. Okay. Again, an AI tool. Again, a fancy AI tool, just like ChatGPT. The difference between Copilot is and AI and ChatGPT is very common. Like it, uh, Copilot is designed managed by Microsoft, and OpenAI is managed by the ChatGPT is managed and maintained by OpenAI. Okay, that's the yeah, and the integration of the Copilot is very important, and it's something that has differentiated different AI tools with Copilot. Okay, because we are habitual for Microsoft PowerPoint, we're habitual for Microsoft Words, we are habitual for Microsoft Excel, we are habitual to many Microsoft tools, Office 365 tools, and that's where the Microsoft plays with that. Okay, because they know that we are habitual on these sites, and they have integrated Copilot with all these sites, all these platforms, and yeah, you can play with that. That's why. I need document on this. Okay, I need to search for that, but there would be a document on that would be released by Microsoft for sure. Okay, now you can ask him anything. Okay, you can ask him like anything. Uh, Suggest me few things, guys. Let's say, why do plants change color with seasons? Let's go with this. The best part about Copilot was that it provides the links. I am waiting for if Google comes up with something like this. I don't know whether Bing on their Gemini, they have this option where they can provide you the links as well. Okay, and this is the best part because whenever I have to Google search, I only get links. Okay, whenever you do an AI search, you only get the content. Okay, but what if I want the content as well as the related links? I have to tell ChatGPT specifically. Okay, whenever I do a search with you, just give me the content followed by the Google links. Okay, I have to tell him explicitly. But here you can get it directly. The other thing that are very important, guys, you can see on. Are you looking into the screen? or you are busy playing with it? Are you watching the screen, guys? Yes, no? Others? Yeah, okay, perfect. Now you can see this is what I have asked. Why do plants change color with the seasons? Oh, my screen is freezed. Is it the case, guys? Oh man. Oh, sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Oh, why? This is the first time everyone pointed out. No one pointed it out. You are watching like anything. Okay, we have done it. Okay, cool. So just open Copilot. Just open Microsoft Edge and just search Copilot Microsoft, and you'll end up having this. Okay, and that's what I'm using here, Copilot. And I have searched for this query, why do plants change color with the seasons? I have got this answer. Now the best part about Copilot. Okay, now I think you can see it, guys. Yeah, now I think you can see it. Yes. Okay, the best part about Copilot is that it gives you the concise answer along with the links from the with the links of the website. See, on the below we have the links of the website as well. This is the best part about it. Okay. Now there are many features that you can see here. Okay. There is like and dislike. Again, like and dislike is for their improvement. Okay. So that they can improve their model. Okay. Where by having a verification from the human. Okay. That's their policy. Okay. Or that's their benefit in that case. Now, the other option is copy text. You can copy it like this as well. You can select the text and you can copy it. But again, this gives you the copying the complete option as well. Now, the again, a very good feature is that you can export it in Word format, PDF format, or text format. And this is a very good thing, guys. Let's say I want to import it in the Word PDF format, and it will convert it like this. See, if you're working on a document, if you have created document, now you don't have to copy paste the content from here to your document. You can directly download it from here. Cool, guys. Does it sound good, everyone? Few new features, few better features. Yes. You can also share it. There is a share button as well. You can share this. You can just copy this and share it with the others as well. For example, if I copy it and paste it in the chat bot, in the chat box, see if you are getting it. You also get a share with via mail and share it on different social media platforms. Like try opening this link, guys, and let me know if you are able to see the same query with the same answer or not. Just let me know in the chat. Can you see it? Guys, have you opened it? Yeah, you are able to see the same information. Perfect. So you can see how beautiful these work. Okay, how beautiful this works. Now there is a notebook option as well. You can just write what is in a white, what is in your mind. Okay, and the chat Copilot will create the content for you. For example, I'm thinking about data science. Okay, let's say the roadmap for someone was asking the roadmap for prompt engineering. So I'll write roadmap for prompt. I know it won't allow me to write a complete sentence. They have this. Okay, okay. Now you just do it. If you want to add an image, you want to add any any audio as well, you can add it. Just submit it. See what the Copilot will create for you. It'll create a document completely. See, in this way you can create that. Okay, let's go back to the Copilot now. Yes, exactly. You'll get some suggestions as well. Like if you want to continue chatting with it, okay, you can get now the 1 out of 30 options that you can see here on the below. is basically like you can reply to it and you can continue chatting on this without going for a new topic 30 times. Okay, and you have utilized the one time. Okay, so and it also gives you the suggestion like what you can ask next to the copilot. Okay, they are giving an option for that as well. Cool. Uh, there are you have to ask for a new topic. You have to start talking about new topic. Again, that is also easy. Just click on the share button and copy the link and paste it in the chat and ask him to continue from there. Again, you get next 30 chances. Okay. Basically, you can't continue texting on the same prompt after 30. It might be the case because they have the memory limited to 30 chats. Okay. In the free version. Might be possible. Now you can ask him to work on the images as well. The same that we were trying to do with the other AI tools. Okay. That is create something. Guys, can you give me a query now? Let's say create a Power BI, create a beautiful woman, Power BI report. Okay, image. See, let's see what it creates. Okay, I think it does create an images. You can see here I have created images from it. But why it's saying this? Mhm. Okay. If you want to create and work along the images, the best part is the designer. Okay. You can see on the right hand side, there is a designer. If you want to plan any vacation as well, you can go for vacation planner as well. For example, you want to plan a trip to, let's say, uh, Goa. Okay. You can ask him to plan plan a, let's say, 5 days trip to Goa. Yeah, in some cases ChatGPT is far better than these, but yeah, again you can compare ChatGPT with these tools. Okay, every tool has their own. Actually, this Copilot comes with integration of Microsoft 365 tools. First benefit. Second benefit, if you get images, you can also play along with the images as well. I'll show you that part as well. Okay, see it gave customize everything. Okay, and it gives a lot of options here. Okay. This vacation planner is just one thing. The beautiful thing is the designer. Okay, that I'll show you. Okay. Let me just explore it. Let him generate this. Okay. Now you can ask him to create some image. Let's say create uh, Power BI report image. So in the designer tool, it will help you in designing anything. Okay. And then cooking assistant as well. If you want to cook something, you can ask him what to cook, how to cook it. Then there is fitness trainer as well. If you want to do exercise of, let's say, upper arm or lower arm, or your biceps or your leg days there. So you can ask him about that as well. Okay, and it will help you in doing that. You can see these are some of the Power BI reports that it has generated. Now let's say you want to make this, you want to add some text or something, okay, to these images. Okay, and this is something that very rare AI tools provide you that with that. Okay, so here, but you can do these things. Okay, just go here and click on edit in designer. First thing, you can share it with anyone. Okay, that's the first part. Second part is you can edit and you can download it as well. Okay, if I click on the download button, you can see it has downloaded. And let me open that. You can see how beautiful this looks, and it has downloaded in a complete HD version. What else I can do is I can so the adding of the images in the PPTs are gone. Okay, The tools that I'm going to tell you, every problem will be gone. Like documenting problem will be gone, images problem will be gone, making a PPT present problem will also be gone. Okay, I'll tell you how. Edit in so you can edit it in Designer as well. Okay, just click on there and it will open the Designer for you. This is Microsoft Designer. See, you can do multiple things, and you can edit as well. Okay, you can make it something like this. Okay, see, if you want to change the size, if you want to change different colors, you want to add, let's say I want to add a heading to it. Okay, maybe I can add a heading to it as well. Okay, my Power BI report. Yeah, guys, see, this is how it beautifies things. Okay, and now you can download it as well. Okay, download in whatever format you want. Okay, you just need to sign in. I am not signed in from here. Okay, but I have signed in from my Chrome. Okay, I have been using here. So I have signed in from my phone. I was editing this food truck logo that I've asked. Okay, give it a try on your own, guys. Give it a try. Are you able to edit it? Are you able to work on all this? Give it a try once. Give it a try, guys. Guys, give it a try. Everyone, is it opening? It's working for you? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. Perfect, guys. So this is Copilot. Okay, this is designer of Copilot. Now there are other tools that you can explore as well. Okay. Fitness trainer, cooking assistant, vacation planner. Again, I would request you to explore all the tools that are present here. Okay. Again, they can solve many problems. But the tool that are you ready for the tool? The best AI tool I think that I have used after ChatGPT, and that is the most useful tools that I believe. Are you ready for that, guys? Everyone? Yeah. Okay. That is Gamma. Okay. Gamma is the tool that I think is one of the far more most useful tool that I have used. Okay. That helps me create and saved my so many hours of creating PPTs and helped me in because I was always poor in designing and all that part, being an engineer. So, but yeah, I finally got it. This tool will help us creating PPT. Now you can look into the screen for now, and I've sent the link in the chat. Okay, and after this you can try it on your own. Okay, so we just have to whatever you want to create, just select that website, presentation, document. Okay, select that. For now, we'll go with presentation. Okay, let's say I want to create a presentation on any topic, guys. You want me to create a presentation, or you want AI to create a presentation on? Anyone? Any topic that you utilize or that you have to present tomorrow in your office? Anyone? Any topic, guys? Come on. Okay. Pros and global warming, pros and cons of AI. Okay. Cool. Let's create the top on the tougher topic. Okay. Cool. Let's create an outline first. How many cards you want to create? You can select that as well. Let's say I want to create 10 cards PPT. Okay. We'll select that. I'll regenerate an outline. Okay. It will give you what is the outline. Global warming. These are the outlines. If you are good with the outlines, if you want to add any card, if you want to change the outline, you can change it. If you want to reorder them, okay, you can also reorder them as well. Let's say I want impact in the second last. Okay, you can reorder them. You can see if you want to change them as well, you can change them as well. Let's say reactions of global warming from people. Okay, let's say you can change it as well. Okay, so you want to add any card, you can add the card. Okay, anything you want to add. Okay, how much detail you want, you have to now you have to tell him, like brief you want introduction, brief contain short bullet points, best for the live presentation, medium will contain concise paragraphs for sharing or presenting. Now the detailed win, best for the longer documents. Okay, so whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, if you want to web search images using the, or you want to use the AI generated images as well. Okay, whatever you want to select, I'll go with AI images as well for now. Any image style you want to describe, like any preferred color you have, let's say black or blue or red, green. I don't have a preferred color for now. Okay. And yeah, once you are done with this, there are advanced mode as well. There are advanced settings as well. If you want to create, you can create it. Then what I'll do is click on continue. Okay, and you can see here, okay, it will provide you a theme syntax. You can see here, it provides you a lot of themes that you can choose from. Okay, for example, let's choose this particular theme that we have. Now this looks better, right? So let's select this theme, and this is the primary second button. Okay, now once you have selected these theme, you want it in the dark theme, you want a light theme, you want a professional theme, a colorful theme. Let's go with professional, I believe. Yeah, let's go with professional and dark theme. Okay, dark but professional. Yeah, these are some professional dark themes. This looks better. Okay, for my office purpose, this looks better. Now you can click on generate button. Okay, once you are done with selecting the themes, and give some time to AI. Okay, you can see your PPT, your presentation getting ready in front of your eyes. See, it has created the presentation for you now. Okay, you can either do something else. Okay, you can click on the present button and you can start presenting. You want to share it with someone, you can click on share button. You want to download it, I know you want to download it desperately. Okay, so you can click on the export to PowerPoint or PDF, whatever format you want to download, just click on that. Okay, and it will start working and downloading in the PPT format. You just need to wait for a few seconds. Sure, I'll share the PPT in the chat as well. No, the PPT looks very good. Like I can show you the PPT that I generated uh, lately as well. Yeah. See, they will even email you as well once their slide is ready. Once your slide is ready, they will download. See, they have downloaded it, as well as I have got an email from them as well that your PPT is ready for you. You can see. I'll click on enable editing, and you can see this is the slide that you are having. Your PPT is ready, and this looks so good, right? I think this looks perfect to me. Right, I couldn't have created this much, but yeah, they look perfect. It looks perfect. If you want to, and the best part is that if you want to edit something, you can edit it as well. If you want to edit it with something else, you can edit it with something else as well. It's not like it's not editable. They are images. No, they are not images. They are actual text. They are text and images. Combination of both, just like you create a normal presentation. They are like that. Okay, they are not images. Okay, and that's the best part. If you want to replace it with some other images, you can replace it even, right? If you want some images that you have selected with some merging cities, you can select a next some else image. Okay, and if you want it to Google it, you can select the Google Images option that we have seen in the starting. Okay, you can select the Google Image option as well. It will not give you the AI generated images, but I think the AI generated images are also very good, right? And see how beautifully they create that everything. They create the smart images, they create the smart text, the designing is perfect. Some part of it, I would agree that some part of it they disturb sometimes, but yeah, most of the things are good. What do you think, guys? What do you think on this? Everyone, what do you think on this? Yeah, guys, did you like that? Yeah, watermark would be there, but yeah, I think in the pro version they might also remove that. But yeah, need to check that. But still, does it look good? Because you can ultimately copy it, right? You can copy it into a new presentation as well. You can create it. You can copy it. Literally, I think copying it won't take that much time, and you must have invested in creating a presentation, right? Everyone, does it look good, guys? Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. The best part of the session, today's session, I would say. Agreed, everyone? Yeah, indeed. Yes. I know. I was waiting for this moment from yesterday itself. Like ChatGPT is very interesting. It's very powerful. But the thing that Gamma has done, the problem that Gamma has solved for most of us, like from the management side, for the people who spend a lot of time. I personally spend a lot of time in creating presentations. But after this, I think that I can where to go with the presentation that I have created. Can someone take those? Because these presentations are so good. Even if I start copy pasting it, yes, they are very good. I love the design. I love the way they are designing things, and yeah, it's all editable, and that's the best part, guys. It's not images. These are all editable objects. Okay, if I want to change anything, I can literally change anything. Okay, and I can like recreate anything, whatever I want. Okay, and this is so good. Yes, yes, let's try to do that. Okay. Okay, but it is time for us to take a break. Okay, and we'll be back after break. I want you to explore the platform more. Okay, let's not stick only uh, to what we have seen for now. Okay, I want you to explore the platform more and more. Okay, and after that, after the break, we'll be back again. Okay, and start exploring Gamma more in detail. So yeah, that is something that we'll do. But yeah, for now, just try to enjoy your break. Okay, if possible, you can get distracted with Gamma. Yes, yes, definitely it's possible. We'll try to do that. Yeah. Yes, we need a break. Okay, let's take a break. But again, I'll keep the chat open. Okay, you can explore whatever you want. Okay, I know you won't take a break. Okay, just take 10 minutes. Drink some water, get some tea, coffee, something. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, and these 10 minutes try to explore the Gamma platform. Okay, I know everyone will do, but still, it's my duty to say. So yeah, try to explore Gamma platform, and we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay. See you guys in 10 minutes. It's 9:05 in my clock. Okay, we'll be back at 9:50. Okay, you can adjust your time accordingly. Okay, guys. See you then. Bye bye. Yeah, guys, are we back? Yes, everyone. Yeah. I know you have never left your screen, laptop screen. Is it correct? You never left your screen. How many of you? Yeah, I can see that. Yes. Okay, that's good actually. Yes. Yeah, you were always there. You were always there. I know. Okay, I think the only person who took the break was me. It seems right. Okay, cool. I'll move this. Yeah, now we are good. Okay, let's talk about more things. Okay, let's talk about more concepts here in Gamma. Let's try to explore it more. Now, not only the presentations, let's try to create some website as well. Okay, someone was giving a task. Upload a text to be used, but let Gamma create the slide based on those texts. Okay, sure. I can. What we can do is we can ask ChatGPT to generate the text. Okay, because ChatGPT generates the text better than any other tool. So I'll right. Okay, I'll ask him generate uh, prompt. Let's say for Gamma to create what type of PPT you want. Wings. What type of PPT you want? Guys? Hmm? Any topic, guys? Okay, someone was saying anything previously as well. So we'll take that. Pros and cons of AI. Good. Yeah, that was exactly the same thing I was taking to create PPT on. Hmm. I'm not sure whether how the Gamma would be able to react to it. Okay, I'm not sure on this side, but yeah, we can explore this. Okay, I have copied the content on ChatGPT. I would paste the content here. Okay, I would generate the outline. Let's see if it generates the outline in a similar manner. Oh, actually it does. Yeah, I think it has done that. Right, guys? Has it done that? Yes. Pros. Yeah, pros, cons, case study, introduction slide. Introduction slide, pros and cons. If you want to edit any slide, yeah. So actually it has created that. Okay, that's good. Now let's try to continue with this. Let's go with this theme. Okay, a more simpler one. Let's try to generate it. See, it's generating. Right? It's generating. I can see some of the content that we have given to it. I can see some of the content that we have given to it, and it has integrated that and added other content as well. Okay, so it's not. I think this PPT is very beautiful, guys. What do you think? So I think you can take 2 3 apps into the consideration. For example, generate the outline from ChatGPT and give it to Gamma, and then Gamma will generate the PPT for you. So I got the mail that I have the PowerPoint presentation is ready. Let's see. I think it's done. It's opening. See, it looks very beautiful. Actually, this looks very good. Oh, it has my name as well. Nice. Oh, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Original content. It has integrated original content as well. It has added more than original content as well. So yeah, that is good. Yeah, this is very good, guys. Okay, and you can even generate more slides as well. Okay, I think they had the limit for 30 slides, but for the free account, they have some limit or something. Is there? Yeah, you can add more slides as well. Cool, guys. Is it good? So these are the content that we have created till now. We can import it as well. We can import it as well. We can add images and layout and scale the content for more as well. Okay. You can import the text content from docs, presentation, and more. Okay. If you have a content, they have an option to plain import as well, where you can import the text content from the docs as well. Okay. If you have a content from docs and you would want to convert that docs into a presentation, you can easily do that from here as well. Okay. I don't mind giving few dollars to AI and getting and saving my 3 to 4 hours of work. I don't mind giving it to that. Agreed with me, guys? Yeah, exactly. That has been the case now. You can create it from blank as well. Oh, it can help you. Uh, it can help you create a presentation from blank as well. Okay, you can add the card with Gen AI as well. Like you can select what type of column you want. Let's say, for example, these kind of paragraphs you want, images with text. Okay, this is what you require. You can just select it, and you can add from the template as well, whatever template you like. Maybe 3 column with heading. Okay, now it will become 3 column with heading. See, there are 3 columns and there are heading as well. You can add images as well. Okay, so this is how the things are, guys, and you can literally make your own presentation on this as well. Okay, it's not about all AI generated images or AI generated links. Okay, it's more on that. Now there are some tips and tricks as well. Okay, I would request you to go through these tips and tricks, and some standout features are there. Some how to find help. Okay, how to edit in Gamma desktop. Okay, so you can try work upon this as well. Okay, and what you are doing is just 5 to 10% of actual capability of Gamma and all the AI tools that we have seen. Okay, so it's just a starting, guys. Okay, that we are doing actually. This is one of the presentation that I created uh, before that. Okay, before you join, I was creating one presentation on customer sales analysis. Okay, this is how it created. See how beautiful this looks, right? This looks very good now. Okay, let's try to create a website now and play along with that as well. Okay, we can import fine, generate. Let's try to create a website. Let's see how it creates. Hmm. Now you want to create a landing page, one pager website promoting a dog cafe, landing page for product, zodiac sign, landing page for consultant, website for virtual event planning company. Okay, let's say I don't have any idea in mind. Do you have any idea in mind for a website? Let's create a clone of YouTube. Okay, this is something that I always wanted to create. Hmm. Have I generating the website? Have I selected the website? I'm not sure. I have not selected the website. Yeah. Clone of YouTube. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, these cards are enough. Is it generating the slides? Oh no, it's generating the slides only, it seems. Let's try to see what it generates. Yeah, generating a website. Yes. See, they have created a web page. Okay, like this. If you want to publish the web page, your site is ready to publish. You can publish this site, update your whole site default, or other pages in the site won't be effective. You can preview this web page as well. Okay, see, this is how your website looks like. Okay, if you want to see it in the tablet view, this is how it looks like. If you want to see in the mobile view, this is how it looks like. If we want to desktop view, this is how it looks like. Now, how we can get it? Okay, it's very interesting. Now, yes, we can export it. The complete code would be exported. Okay, you can add a collaborator as well. If you have anyone else working on it, you can add them there as well. You want to publish it as well, you can go on and publish it as well. Let's try to publish it. I will share you my website. I think this is a very good option. You can upload your resume. You can upload your resume and you can upload your LinkedIn link. Okay, try doing that on the Gamma and create your own web page. That would be your portfolio basically. Hmm. This looks good, guys. No? Yeah, actually we can do that. Yes. Hmm. I need to every time I do this, I need to publish the changes. Say I've changed the heading of it. Let's save the heading. Yeah, you can customize it. Yes, you can host it as well, Gunjan. Yeah. And there are a lot of options. We have not done nothing. Literally, we have done nothing. Okay, we have not customized it at all. There are cards option, how to customize it, colors, background, some styles you want to add, background layout, left layout, right layout, no layout, whatever you want to have. There are tons of options that you can do. Okay, because if you go back, see here, when we were generating, we have a lot of options in terms of detailing, in terms of briefing, in terms of web images search as well. Okay, let's say you don't want the AI generated images, you want all real images. You can go for that as well. Or what type of theme you want. Let's say I want a professional website. It's my portfolio website. I want to keep it professional. I select this particular theme. I think I like this theme. Let's see how it creates. Yeah, they have a lot of work to do. Not just this. Let's try to do this. See, it has all the AI generated. It has all the Google related images. Okay, there are no images from the AI generated. They are all Google related images. From see upload video, it literally find the image uh, on the Google that is related to upload video. Okay, Then it find the video on searching how to search for YouTube, search for videos here about us. I talked about YouTube, so it has searched for YouTube and given to the logo here and image here. Yeah, so this looks very good. You can replace the images and work upon that. I'll send you the link of this site. Okay, you can also explore this. Okay, try creating your portfolio website. I think that would be a good idea, guys. Try creating your portfolio website. Give it a try, guys. Let's give it a try. Creating our portfolio website. We have to figure that out, Gunjan. We have to figure that out. That would be great. Yes, yes, definitely, Pramod. It's possible. Yeah. Yes, yes, Gunjan, you can give it a try. I would again I would give you a kind of assignment right now, like try it for a portfolio website, guys. That would be a good idea. Upload your resume, upload your LinkedIn profile PDF, okay, and give it a try. Let's see how it works. Guys, tried some websites? Trying things out? Let's try to create some documents now, everyone. I'll share you some ideas. Wait. Are you trying things out? Okay, trying a PPT. Okay. 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 Yeah, give it a try. Give it a try, promote everyone. Share what you have done. I'm waiting for that in the chat. Everyone, try something. Presentation, website, document, whatever you like. Just try it. Give it a try and let me know in the chat. This is very good, Gunjan. This is very good. Okay, this is very good. See, guys, one of our candidate has prepared their portfolio on this. Gunjan, how did you do that? Uploaded your profile, uploaded what on Gamma? Only resume that worked. You copy pasted the resume. Yeah, definitely. That you can change. That you can change. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Once you get the code as well, see, if you think it from the perspective of a web designer, okay, once you get the code of this beautiful website, you can change everything. Okay. Once you get the designing is the important part. How your website looks, how adding these effects are also difficult. The content and the images and all those things can be editable. Okay, are very editable, and we can do that easily. Okay, they can do that easily. But yeah, great. Others, what you are creating? Thank you, Gunjan, for sharing this. It's great. This looks very good. All the information are correct that you have uploaded. The same information that you uploaded. Okay, that's again very good. See how beautifully they have created. Okay, some people created a presentation. Okay, Pramod, can you share that? Yes, yes, definitely you can do that. Okay. Okay. There is an file option here. File option here on the right hand side of the chat. Okay, no worries, Pramod. It's good. It's good that you have created that. Okay, cool, guys. I think you have explored a platform a lot. Now let's try to create some documents here. Okay, any documents, guys, you always wanted to create and you don't have a time to create that. Maybe let's try to have the help the architecture guys we have in the chat. Oh, I we got the presentation finally. Okay, Pramod, are you happy with this? Are you happy with this? How much time do you think that you would have taken in creating something like that if you have created by your cell phone? How much time would you have spent or in creating this, figuring out the content, the outline, everything, figuring out the images and everything? 4 5 hours? Yeah. And here you have done that in I think less than 4 5 minutes, I believe, right? Yeah. So how much time it has saved? Any document, guys, you want to create? Let's help the design architecture people. Okay. Let's say you want to create a roadmap or maybe starter pack, starter the document on design architecture. Let's say someone new in the team. Pramod, I think you mentioned you're working with architecture, right? No, you were working with Pramod. Yeah, Gunjan was working with architecture. Yes. Yes. Great, great to see that, Pramod. Okay, so Gunjan, let's say some new fresher joins to your team, okay, and you want to share the starter document for design architecture, okay, and you want to share uh, the document to him, okay, maybe of a tool, let's say uh, some design architecture, general design architecture, you want to share that, okay, with him, and let's say it has 10 pages for now. Let's try to create an outline. You are if you are good with the outline, we'll try to create a document. It starts with introduction to design architecture, then key principles, then design architecture in software development, design architecture in web development, mobile app, UI, UX, and everything. Okay, now this is good. I want a detailed format. Okay, because I'm going for a document, detailed document. I'll try to create it. See how it is being created. I'll select a theme. I'm mostly looking for a professional one. Okay, but very blunt is what I'm looking for. I think this can be a good idea. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so we'll start with this. Try to generate now. So your document will be ready, Gunjan. I'll send you this document. You can send it to the people joining your team. Okay. Hmm. Cool. I think the article, the document is ready. Now let's try to it's time to share with you We'll download in PDF format because it's a document. I think the PDF is ready. Now this is the article, guys. This is a document, guys. The content looks super cool to me. Do you like it, guys? Did you like that? Hmm. This looks very good to me. I think good for starter. So Gunjan, would you like? I'll share this with you. Do you think that this is good for a starter to start with? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Great. I have shared a document with you. Yeah. Okay. Cool, guys. So this is all about the gamma. Okay. And I know this is what we have done is literally merely 10-15% that it can be achieved in gamma. Okay. Now, but we have time constraint. We have other AI tools that we have to explore. Another AI tool that we have to explore is perplexity. Okay. Uh, I always find it difficult to pronounce, but I use it. Yes, very neat and clean. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Very good. Now, this is again an AI tool. Okay. Now, you must be thinking, Abhishek, what new we will get here? Okay. What else we can get it here? Okay. Now, this is very good in terms of what you want to attach. Let's say you want to upload a PDF as well. The same PDF that we have just created now. Okay. Let's say this is the PDF. We can upload that. Okay. We want to summarize that. Okay. What are the key insight? What are the conclusion? What are the authors of the document? Okay. Anything you want to know. Okay. Let's say you want to uh, let's say give possible add-ons in this document. Okay, suggest some possible add-ons in this document. Okay, let's try to do this. So perplexity is very good. Okay, in terms of document uploading, in terms of searching for any images, searching for videos as well. Okay, and generating images as well. So it's very good on this side. Okay, you can search for videos as well. You can just search for different videos that you want to have. Okay, that are related to this. Okay, now the query that you have asked, how to install add-on documents, how to work on this. Okay, so you get images. You want to see images, you'll get images as well. Okay, related to the search that you have performed. Okay, so this is why this AI tool is very interesting. Okay, it not only searches the things that you are doing or that you want to search, but it also provides you things that you have not searched, but still you get it. Okay, see, it has provided you a document. Again, you have an option to share, you have an option to uh for Copilot, I have seen there is like for Copilot, it's integrated in Office 365 tools. For API, hmm, I have to check, Gunjan. Okay, for API, also for ChatGPT, there was an API available. Okay, but for these, for any explicitly, if you are asking for a tool, I have to check that. Okay, and you can check that on Google, or you can ask ChatGPT itself, is there any API option available? Or you can search that there are people integrating API in there because using ChatGPT as a chatbot for their customer support and for they're creating their customized chatbots as well. So there are people doing that. There are startups doing that thing. Yeah, sure, sure, sure. We'll do that. Yeah. Okay. So this is Perplexity is another good tool. Okay, you can explore around. I don't know what to tell you next because the things that we have already seen are very good. Okay, the things that we have already explored are very good on the side that it has solved. It will solve you most of the purpose that you have. But still, there are some of the AI free AI tools that you can explore. Okay, there are many AI tools that you can explore here. You can see ChatGPT and character.ai, Perplexity is there, then Write Sonic is there, Synthesia is there are Grammarly and Microsoft Copilot we have seen. Naver is there. So there are a lot of AI tools that you can explore. But I have told you some best of them. Okay, and the most commonly used tools that I have used in my personal life, and I think you can get benefit out of it. So I think you can prefer ChatGPT for any textual based content, any text related thing, any document related thing. ChatGPT should be a top priority in that cases. And then you know what is the platform for creating any presentations now. Okay, and any web pages now as well, right? You know the platform for that. I don't have to tell you that. So that would be Gamma. Then if you are using your 365, any of the Microsoft 365 tools, Copilot is the go-to app for you. Okay. So these are the few tools that you can use on the daily basis. And I have the premium for ChatGPT. If you create PPT on the regular basis, and if you like how the Gamma is creating PPTs for you, you can try spending some time with Gamma, try to customize it as per your requirement. And if you find it fulfilling your requirement, you can take the pro version, because it would hardly cost you a few dollars, but it would definitely be very helpful, and it would help save a lot of time from you. Okay, cool guys, does it sound good to everyone? Okay, now how did you feel about these tools? Yeah, I want honest opinions in the chat. Then we have a short quiz, okay, that you have to attempt for the certification, and I think we are good. Okay, what we have. That was all I needed to cover. In terms of ChatGPT, in terms of all the AI tools that are around and that are very good. Now, what do you think about the tools that we have seen so far? Very powerful. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Useful and time saving. Yes, correct. Okay. So do you find these two-day session helpful enough? Do you think that they have saved you? You have invested around 6 hours of your time. Do you think that they will save a good amount of time now, more than what you have invested on the daily basis? Definitely. Okay, that's great. Oh, see, creating an AI tool uh, would be a very difficult challenge, because it's mostly it's now Gen AI all around, right? Okay, it would have been a simple AI tool or a simple data science project, I would have covered that in half of the time. Okay, but again, creating an AI tool was sure. The PPT will be shared with you. Okay, that would be shared with you. It has the detailed explanation of how you can create a prompt. Yesterday only that we were discussing. See, it's very complex idea, Nilay. To be honest, creating a chatbot is not that simple. The training will take few hours. Okay, at least the training would take few hours if you are creating a very simple chatbot that is trained on some amount of the data. Okay, the training of creating a chatbot will take some hours. Okay, if you find out the time it has taken ChatGPT to be trained. Okay, you would be shocked to know that. I'll tell you that. Okay, so ChatGPT has taken around 34 days to train. Okay, and that too with the one of the best GPUs that are available. Okay, so it took around 34 days for a ChatGPT to get it trained. So yeah. Ah, API, integrating it in an API is something different, but creating a chatbot right from the scratch is different. Okay. Yeah, for that we have okay. Thank you, Nilay, for asking that question, because for that we'll be having a session quickly after the quiz. Okay, so let me share the quiz with you. Okay, you have 15 to 20 minutes to attempt that. Okay, so do it as early as possible. Okay, and then we'll have a session. Okay, you have a session with a special guest that we have today. Okay, but I'll tell you that before that, let's solve this quiz. Are you able to access the quiz, guys? Is it opening for you? Are you able to answer it? Just give it a check. Just give it a quick check and let me know. Yeah, you can open it. Cool. Then attempt the quiz, guys. Let me know if you have any issues. Okay. It's 10:07 in my clock. Okay. Just you have 15 minutes. We'll be back around 10:20 something. Okay. Attempt the quiz nicely. All the very best. This will decide your certificate. Okay, for the sessions. And yeah, thank you. Let's see you in 15 minutes. Yeah. No, that's not a problem, guys. That's never a problem. Okay. The quiz for just for the general practice purpose, regardless of the quiz, will be getting the certificate. Okay. It's just for us to understand, okay, you are getting the things or not. Okay. It's just for that purpose. Okay, nothing else. Okay. Are we done with the quiz, everyone? Okay. Okay. Cool. Perfect. Okay. Cool. Cool. How was it, guys? How was the quiz? Did you enjoy it? I think you might have to Google something, right? Google few questions. Yeah. Let me share you the slides for the 2 days that we have covered. Okay. Actually, the last day that we have covered. Let me share you that. That would again help you in creating the prompt in a better way. We have a yeah, I have a prompt there. Okay. It was good. Yeah. Any problems, guys? Anything you faced? Any issue? Anything you want to share with us for the last 2 days? Any doubts you have? Anything, guys? Because after next 2-3 minutes, we'll have a special guest with you. So yeah. Did you enjoyed it? That's the most important thing for me. See, to be very honest, that whatever uh, session I'm taking, the people should enjoy it. So did you enjoyed it? That's the most important thing to me. Did you enjoyed it or learn something new? That is important. Everyone, Gunjan, Nilay, Pramod. Yes? Okay. Okay. Sure, sure. I can give you that. Hmm. Okay. I think you can see my screen. Okay. Now what we can do is let me go back. So this is the Gamma app. We will go to create new, and here we'll go to generate. We'll generate a website. So just click here on website. What website you want to generate? Let's say a portfolio. Okay. Let's say a portfolio website of experience, or simple. Let's not make it complicated. Yeah, absolutely. Exactly. So are you good with this? Welcome, about me, my work, my skills, and testimonials, contact, blog, and social media links. Okay. I think I would add another card. Okay. I think I would add projects as well. Okay. And I'll try to place the project somewhere here. Yeah. After my work, I would like to place my project. So welcome, about me, my work, project, skills, testimonial, contact, blog, and this. Yeah, I think I'm good with this. Okay, so I'm good with everything else. Okay, I would like AI generated images. I'm good with that. So I'll go with AI generated images, and yeah, I'll go for continue. Just select the theme that you want, whatever theme you want. Let's go with this basic theme. Yeah, this looks good to me for my portfolio. Just select the theme that you want for your web page and click on generate. Your portfolio will start getting generated. Yes, you can upload your LinkedIn, you can upload your resume as well. Yeah, you can upload that. Just like the Gunjan does. Okay, you can see the refer to the website that Gunjan has shared, right? She has created a good website from her just copy pasting her resume, just copy pasting her resume content. She has created this website. See here, this is the website that Gunjan has created. Okay, she uploaded her resume details. Key skills are placed here. His her work experience, her work history, her education. Now that her recent achievements, her contact information, everything is there. See how good this is. Oh, sorry, 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 Gunjan. Actually, here as well, it was like this. So that's why I got confused. Really, apologies for this. Okay, so you can see here, uh, if you click on publish. Oh, okay, okay. I got confused. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, now there are other options as well if you want to make the changes to it. Okay, instead of publishing, uh you can click on the share button. You can export it. Okay, you want to add a collaborator with people, you can add do that. You want to export it. Okay, you can export it as well. Okay, so these are the options that you have. Okay, oh Gunjan, you changed it. Oh, smart. Okay, thank you, Gunjan. Now, this is the website that Gunjan has created. And you can see his experience, his key skills, and his work history. I think work experience and work history are repetitive part. I think this can be ignored, Gunjan. I think you need to work upon uh, your resume a bit. If you have these kind of repetitive sections, work experience and work history. I'm not sure whether your resume has or not, but at least on the portfolio, we can confirm that you have this. Okay, maybe you can give it a check. Okay, okay. Then specify this issue to Gamma when creating the website. Okay, so this is how you can do that. Okay, okay, cool guys. I think it's time. Uh, okay, cool guys. Yeah, that was all I needed to cover from my side. Uh, now we now I'll pass on to Ahmed for next part. And I think yeah, it has been a great session, guys. Thank you all for being such a nice audience, and I really enjoyed the session with you. And thank you. I hope I have been capable enough to provide you the details that you always wanted, and I am able to make sure that you justify your time. And yeah, thank you for thank you for listening me for 6 hours and with that patience level. So yeah, really appreciate your effort over this. So yeah, sure, we'll share that. Thank you, Prabodh. Thank you, Absal. Ahmed, over to you,
Yeah,
man.
thank you very much, Abhishek.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, participants, I hope you have learned a lot in these 6 hours. And yes, of course, we'll be sharing the PDF of all the tools and some other tools as well, which will be beneficial for you in your professional space. Right now, we have Upendra Giri sir, who's the founder of the academy, and he had just like 5-10 minutes, so he just came over here, and he can have a discussion with you all. That won't take long. I'll just give a brief about sir. So, sir is a distinguished profession with a robust background in portfolio management. It's a program which is done by PMI, and all the program managers do all sort of certificates from PMI. He has also brought PMI North India chapter to India. He is the first person to do that, and because of him only, PMI North India body exists in India. He has, in his career, he has collaborated with various organizations and has worked with multiple industries. And his contribution has led to transformative outcomes, earning him recognition as a leader in portfolio management. So, sir, what do you?
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I think, am I visible? Am I audible? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, great. Thank you, guys. Abhishek, you did a wonderful job. I was there for a little bit. Unfortunately, I could not dial in, but just wanted to connect. And this is very important for us that we stay relevant, because in the
Thank you.
world, the only thing is the only constant in the world is change, right? So I personally, I come from a village background. Grew up in a village. Came to Delhi. Went to US to study my master's in environmental engineering. And if you've seen the movie Swadesh, that's my true story. And you could probably get a glimpse of it. NDTV did a wonderful job way back in 2009. And just wanted to touch base with you that what we as a company really do. So artificial intelligence, and especially generative AI, you cannot stay away from the action. So this was the intent to bring this particular program to you guys. But our core had been project, program, and portfolio management. So I would like to know from the audience how many people on the call know about PMI. If you know, if you could just type yes, that would give me some indication. If you know what is PMI, that will help me, position this particular content. Gunjan said no. I think one gentleman said yes. Anybody else? Okay. So for this benefit of everybody, just to let you know that I have a birth bond with PMI. What does it mean? Project Management Institute was established in 1969. So I'm as old as PMI, actually. So do you remember what happened in that particular year? Very significant something happened in that year. Anybody? What happened in 1969? Something very important happened in the world. Anybody? 1969, something really incredible happened. India versus Pakistan. No. Mustafa, no, not sure. And then Gunjan. So let me tell you, 1969, if you believe it, Apollo, of course, Pramod, you absolutely correct. Apollo happened. So man landing on the moon, right? So all these mega initiatives, right? They had been very transformative, you know. So when I used to live in my village, I used to see these planes fly, and I used to wonder. The flesh of the human is so lighter than the metal, especially get used in the planes. I used to wonder why I could not fly myself, you know. So as a child, I had this aspiration, and that led to me going through the high school and came to Delhi. And of course, I studied at, I joined Hansraj College in 1985, but then I came to Jamia Millia. And then I got married actually to this woman, Seema Giri, and she was from US. And then I decided to go to US to pursue my master's in environmental engineering. So 32 years back, can you imagine somebody thought of saving the planet? So that has been my background. But then I fell in love with this body called PMI in 1999. PMI was celebrating their 30th year. And I was also 30 years old around that time, right? So I said, the way to create a difference in the world would be by going through this transformation journey for myself. So I used to make like $45 an hour in US, but when I got my PMP certification, my compensation in US tripled, literally triple. And then I realized that, there's so much to be done with that understanding, that exposure, and that skill which I developed for myself. So that's when I met Mr. Ramlingam Raju, CK Pralat, Narayan Murthyji way back in Silicon Valley. So you must have heard of company like NVIDIA or all these big companies who are on the cutting edge. I recently met Mr. Jensen Huang at one of the event in Thai, and that's where we talked about how the world would be a different place to live, because the world which you and I are born, we are not necessarily living in the same world. So to me, the way I've seen every invention in the world, uh, so whatever is relevant today would be relevant tomorrow, or whatever inventions we are doing today, that would be a problem for future generations to solve. So human had been always in the race of innovation, which you can't stop. You keep evolving with the as the world progresses, right? So today there are about 8 billion people, and India has about 1.4 billion people residing in India alone, right? So I see that huge opportunity, especially with Modi's 3.0, has so much to do, especially for people, masses, especially. India's 67% population is under 35. What does it mean? Everybody needs job, everybody needs employment, everybody needs some direction. सबको दिशा और दशा बदलनी है अपनी, right? And of course everybody needs that. So I brought this concept way back in 2002. I realized that it would not be a very simple task. I had to move my third generation children to India way back in 2002, and then I lived here in India for 10 years. And with that, the knowledge and wisdom which I accumulated over a period of time, I thought of changing lives of masses here. So I ended up training more than 100,000 people, out of which 2,000 people are certified project manager. These are the senior officers, especially people who are police chiefs. Then these are IS officers. I teach at Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy also. This has been my pet subject: project, program, and portfolio management. So you must be wondering what these certifications are. So PMI truly is a body which is most sought after, most respected in the world. More than I would say 1.5 million PMPs are there in the world, if you're familiar with the certification. So the same certification, when I took it, there were about 5,000 people, but today there are about 1.5 million people. So this has transformed me, and this has transformed all those million odd people. Because what it happens is that whenever you are thinking of bringing a change in the world, because change happens with the projects. So projects become the catalyst for change, and people become the change champions. So to you guys who are there on the call, I would see, with the knowledge which you got in last 6 hours, but how do you put into real life, especially where you are probably contributing at your workplace? How do you see that AI plus project management plus change management could be a very powerful combination of these three things? So we realized that we had been doing project management. And in fact, if you go to my LinkedIn profile lately, I've been posting what things are happening in India. I had a long conversation with Mr. Gadkari a couple of months back. And when we started this company, Upbuild in India with our Upbuild Academy, we were here in India 20 odd years back. We were here for almost 10 years. Then I went back to bring something more for India, and this time it's about business agility, and of course how AI would be uh, making a change and the shift in the way world would deliver projects and programs and portfolios. So when government of India is formed, for example, the first thing would be on their mind would be portfolio. What kind of things will bring the best value to the people? So those are the choices the senior leaders, including Prime Minister Modi, has to make. That's portfolio management. Then, so it's all about choices of things which you do, right? But you need to make sure that they are prioritized, right? So the sequences of those programs have to be aligned in such a manner that you get the benefit realization to people at large, right? So all the schemes in the country are all programs actually, and within those schemes that the mega projects could be there. Like for example, I was asked to reform police in 2009 after Bombay blast. I was asked to help government of India on e-governance transformation, which I helped the government. I also had set up the PMO for large programs, especially Kashi transformation and Ayodhya transformation, if you've seen that work. So what we as a company do, we set up the project program management office. And if you go on my LinkedIn today, you will see that I have posted a post with the gentleman who was SoftBank CEO. Before that, he was Airtel CEO, because Airtel brought this transformation. If you remember, Gujarat model. So what was Gujarat model? It was bringing connectivity to last mile. So I mean, and then Swan project and things like that. So Mr. Kohli, Manoj Kohli was the CEO, and we had helped Manoj Kohli and his team on this thing, transformation of the large mass level connectivity for the country. So we brought huge level of transformation in telecom. It was between 2002 to 2012 timeline. So that had been the golden era for telecom for the country, and we were at the center stage helping companies transform. So we as a company, we not only set up the systems, framework, and methodology, but we also get equip their people on the journey of certification. So those people who are on the call, uh, uh, if you happen to have 0 to 5 years experience, I would, or 0 to 3 years experience rather. So there's a lowest level of entry for certification. That's called CAPM, Certified Associated Project Manager. If you happen to have more than 3 years of experience in a project environment, then you should definitely consider PMP certification. And if you have more than 15 years of experience, then program management certification is the ideal certification for you. Well, we would be launching the very first workshop for India, and that would be launched. Ahmad, do you have the dates for it?
Yes, sir. So we are starting from next week, Thursday.
Okay, so next Thursday would be the first batch starting. So the first 4 hours, we are making it free of cost so that you get a flavor what we deliver and what could it mean for you. The first 4 hours are absolutely free of cost, no commitment, no obligation at all. But if you feel that this could transform your life the way it transformed mine, almost uh, 25 years back, I'm a different person altogether, and you would definitely love the program. So I invite you, I encourage that you participate in the program. This first 4 hours, as I said, you feel that's the relevant certification for you. If you already have it, great. You will get the PDUs, which are like 4 PDU will award, just like you will get 6 PDU to attend this program, which you have already participated, which ended today. So with that, if you have any questions, I would be more than happy to answer them here. You can unmute yourself, and Ahmed, can you do that for me? I'm sorry, I'm not in my formals. I'm sitting at home. This is at my brother's office, home office, and I'm in India, visiting India, but I live in Silicon Valley. For almost this is just recently I got my green card renewed for another 10 years. So this is my 32nd year in US, but my heart beats for India, and that's the reason I spend quite a bit of time and help the country on transformations. So with that, I'll leave the floor open if you have any questions you may have, so that I could answer that question.
Yeah, guys, any question, you can raise your hand.
So any question, guys, more than happy to answer. Uh,
Yes,
Pramod.
Pramod, you can.
Yeah, thanks, Ahmed. Uh, First of all, Upendra sir, thank you so much for the insight and giving us a rundown on your experience and the fantastic work that you have been doing, and you have been catering to a variety of industries. So it's a good insight for us. With respect to the training that would be conducted next to the 4 hour session, it is something related to project management, or it's more about an some program or a foundation session
Well,
for
yeah, I
for the
got it.
PM, I think. Yeah.
Okay, great, wonderful. We have the classes being announced. The first session is on next Thursday, which would be the total. It's a 35 contact hours of certification if you were to go for PMP certification.
Right.
So may I ask you how many years of experience do you have,
I have
Pramod?
I have around 12 years of experience.
Wonderful. So what I would encourage that you share your profile with my team.
Hmm.
We will evaluate and we would make sure that which program would be suitable for you. You know,
Okay.
but generally speaking, with your experience, you should be considering yourself for if you don't have your PMP already. So this would be the ideal program which we will be conducting, which would have 8 sessions. The very first session would be about the basics so that we start building the understanding the project environment, why project get conceived, what is the benefit in the organization, and then how would you bring that excellence of delivery through the project so that you're able to not only meet the golden triangle, which is called or iron triangle, scope, time, and cost, but much beyond that. So this is going deeper into understanding the 35 contact hours. So the way program would be structured, there would be 8 sessions, 4 hours each. So the very first one would be on next Thursday.
Okay. So so this program is more like uh getting trained to for the PMP certification exam, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, because
yes.
that's something that's on my plate, and it's on my short-term target list to get PMP done.
Sure.
So
So absolutely, the timing is perfect because what is happening? Just imagine that every single community going through transformation, the project managers become the change agents. So in our past 25 years, we have trained more than 100,000 people. 25,000 people have become PMPs under us, by the way.
mhm.
You
And
know,
probably the new edition has the agile
yes, yes,
methodologies in it,
yes.
right? Okay.
So,
I did a basic foundation course via LinkedIn Learning
okay,
on project management by one of the instructors called Boni Biafor. So yeah,
okay.
so it gave a good insight on how the whole project management methodologies work and how it gets structured. So yeah, so
Sure, sure. No, no, absolutely. That's it. I would say that if you not done, if you people who attend our programs, they feel that not only their professional life got better, but it helps you accomplish more in their personal life as well, because you become delivery oriented, execution oriented. So this I mean, even Kiran Bedi madam has gone through my programs. you
okay,
know yeah, absolutely. And there would be a lot of content. So Ahmad, why don't you put the links together? You should share with the audience because we can't necessarily play it here, but I think it would be good content to have you look at it. So yes, So I think this is a wonderful thing to consider. Anybody else? Any other question, Pramod, you have?
No, thank you so much for answering these questions and great insight. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Sure. Any Gunjan, any question from your side? Pramod, Gunjan, Nilay, Pramod, and
I'm good from my
Afzal.
side.
Hi, sir. This is Nilay Banerjee.
Hey,
I'm
Nilay,
listening
hi,
to-
how are you?
Hi, sir. I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Great. Do you know Prasanjit?
I could not hear you, sir.
Do you know Prasanjit, the gentleman actor from West Bengal?
What's the name, sir? You just mentioned.
Prasanjit.
Oh,
Prasanjit.
Prasenjit. Yeah.
400 odd movies, right? So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
hosted him in California. In fact, what's her name? Um, there are a couple of very popular people from West Bengal. They keep coming for this concept called Festival of Globe, and which I
Okay.
used to host it. And one time I hosted Amitabh Bachchan Sahab in 2002, actually in Silicon Valley. So it's just that because you get involved with a lot of social projects also as volunteer. So it's always fun to, and of course we miss so much India. We look forward for those social activities. So Nilaji, please shoot your question.
Yes, sir. Basically, I have my background in life insurance branch operations. So I've been working in life insurance for the last 21 years. So do you think that I can start my, next stint in project management if I do this PMP course? Because my age is around 45. So will this be a
Your,
right time to start for something new?
you know what? This certification is such which uses all your years of experience, the wisdom. Let me give you example. People who join army, okay, and army people get retired at the age of 40, okay, different roles. But then that's the time then their obligations and the family commitments are at the peak. At a 40 years old person joining army and leaving army at the age of 40. So through project management PMP, we have reinstated them into back into workforce. Because what happens that your years of experience, it's there, of course, but you need to get a little more structure and the language around it. So PIMBOK really gives you that language the corporate world wants to see from when you become a very delivery centric and you are able to manage large and complex teams and deliver the outcome. So of course you are at the time when you can do the transition, no problem at all.
Awesome, sir. That was motivating. And sir, just tell me one thing. How is this AI thing would fit into this project management thing?
See,
Because
I
we
tell you
just did a
what is
6 hour
happening.
course in
Yeah,
project management.
what I wonder is a beautiful question. When we started looking at AI, the course which you saw, this is actually we had to tweak it, but we are looking at clubbing AI with project management and with change management. So imagine, so three things would happen because of the AI now. You would be able to move away from repetitive tasks and redundant tasks. You start looking at higher value add as a leader, where you have the insights about the organization processes, methodology, framework, and you do start looking at risk management very differently. So it's not updating the task anymore. It's not about coordinating with team members. It's not only about collecting the reports, right? It is about getting the further insights from the project which we are executing. So AI would enable people to deliver much more in a very short span of time. So for me, the way I see it, my own productivity has tripled, by the way, in last 1 year.
That's awesome,
So
sir.
yeah, so it's a beautiful thing. If you go to PMI site, I will encourage you to go to pmi.org. PMI.org is flooded with a lot of data, especially with AI intervention in project management. So the world is at a very interesting crossroad. There's so much to be done, and it could be very amazing opportunity because AI would impact the project management, but project management will help organizations adopt AI. So it's for the this is there's one coin, but two sides of the coin. How AI would be influencing project management, how project management would be able to help AI roll out in the company. So you got a
Got your
perspective
point.
now.
Got your point, sir. So, for the details of the course, we need to contact whom?
So you are talking to Ahmad, right? So Ahmad, could you make sure connect them so that
Sure, sir.
details are made available, and then because next, by the way, the best part of this, I'm so passionate. You can make out by now. I would be teaching this class, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's been I only teach in Silicon Valley in person, and then of course CXO level. But I'm in India, and I would like to launch it. Of course, this program is virtual, but we want to make it very, very interactive because this is what we do. In fact, uh, we do these programs all over the world, but since India is very dear to my heart, and we want to give back to the nation, and this is our way of giving back.
That's so nice, sir. Sir, just one last question from my side. Will this certification or this license will be renewable, or this is just a
So
one-time certificate?
no, so the way it works, the PMI has, like for example, I got my PMP, and I got my portfolio management certification in 2015. So every 3 years you have to renew it. The way you renew it, that remember we are gonna give you a. Did you attend our first session on AI-driven project management? 1 hour session?
No,
No,
no, I was not a part of that.
no, you were not there. So suppose you attended this program today, which is completing today, and you will get a sixth PDO, for example, right? So suppose you got the PMP, okay? And you need to accumulate 60 PDUs in 3 years' time. So if you collected those 60 PDUs, which is very easy to do that by teaching, sharing the knowledge, writing an article, or attending a class like this, so you will be required to submit 60 PDU. One PDU means one contract hours, attending a session like this. So this is how the renewal happens every 3 years.
Okay, and so these sessions will be happening virtually only, or we have to be somewhere in some centers and all?
No, this would be virtual because these days, virtual offers so much more value than the in-person. Although I'm a old school thought guy, right? I miss those old days, but then there's a lot of opportunity and much more learning because you would be interfacing with the people at different parts of the world, actually.
Thank you, sir. That's it from my side.
Sure. Anything else, guys? Anybody else I could answer? Afizal Bhai, any question? Anybody else? Gunjan, any question?
No, sir. I am good from my side.
Okay, wonderful. Great, guys. If any no question, further questions, I would like to thank each one of you, especially I know yesterday it was Eid. Our friend Ahmad went out of the way, making sure this all goes smoothly, at a very short notice. But thank you, Ahmad, for pulling it off. You have done an amazing, amazing job. And thank you, everybody, for being part of this journey with us. Wish you all the best. Good luck. Good luck to you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And everyone, you will be we'll be connecting again tomorrow. And whatever the doubts, how the program will go on, we'll be discussing all things with you. I hope you all had a great session. And with that, we'll end the session. You all will be getting the recording for the same, and we'll be providing you on a weekly basis some PDF where every time we are updating our platform with new AI tools, which will be useful for you. So you will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
getting all those things.
So I think I see a chat by Pramod. You meant to get my attention to this one. PMI has introduced a small micro course on generative AI, right? Yes, I
Yes.
acknowledge that, and it's a wonderful initiative by PMI. And I think in future they would be bringing much more content around generative AI. So more to come down the road. We all
Yeah, they
are.
have a few sessions also lined up. Maybe I believe in the next month or something, with respect to integrating these AI tools and stuff like that for the project management model.
Yeah, so just to share with you, PMI is celebrating. Actually, the chapter I founded, it was founded 20 years back,
Mhm.
and I was the trustee chairman and founder for the chapter. This year, the regional conference is happening on 27 and 28th of September in Delhi. PMI CEO would be here in person, and most likely I would be reaching out to Prime Minister's office or Mr. Nitin Gadkari. One of the top four leader of the country should be addressing the audience that day.
Oh wow, that's fabulous.
Yeah, so we are working on it. Let's see how the progress is made. But feel free to reach out and stay connected with Ahmed and team, so we can keep bringing you the latest and greatest is what is happening in the nation.
Yeah, sure thing. Thank you so much.
Sure, sure, great. Thank you. So with that, we are past 6 minutes over, but thank you very much and have a good night, guys.
Good night, everyone.
Thanks everyone. Thanks
Thank you for
Ahmed.
joining. Good night. Thank you, Pramod.